ahabo kwa kutwizira mu cyacyo mu kanisa yito ya Rukondo twegire mu buyonjo ekikuru munonga nangwa twegire mu Rukondo kandi twaye gukusasara abagenzi bitu abakemba twora kubi
abikiriza hona bashabwa okusasarana bakataho mwaka musya bezere omuganda abakristayo banyamarebe Church of Uganda omu busaba dikono bwa St Stephen Kabira Church of Uganda omu district ya Mitoma bebaganisemo bwa nyuma yo kuhindura otwira ryo mwahorewe kanisejo batyo bakabarekera omborizi aho bamwe behagwire abandi bakaza kushabira mu trading center ya Nyamabare aho bajaguriza amazarwa agwo mu joni Yesu Kristo.
Tujirwaniremo aha twasara muna timu twayeherera twagirira muzo ryito ahi twazagurize rizo kandi ahindu kutengateka ngo hatabiro kutushobora ekikugendo misho tuza gumaha tuza kora hebyo mutano tuza kugumiza mutuhereze kigambo cya mukama
tugambireho na mukuru w'abakristayo ahanshongeji kandi ibintu byatugambire
ngweji ekanisa ya Nyamabare neyo muruka tera mira mwisa aherero mwisa mukamarangara tomwahure nete bekanisa yo mureberezi akugira mu mwahure ahandi oworengo bwo kwikiriza kwasa ku kweberero mwisa ari nazombulisa muri bakuba kunari chireti akazombulisa ito twashibirwa no kusinira mukama aho bakuzara mwana ukareba yakura akajino mukasi ukamama hega
abakristayo bamwe banyamarebe Church of Uganda abajire kushabira mu center bwa nyuma yo kushaba bagizereho no kushara keki
abatu ino mwahure witu mwahure bamutwara baturetera umburzi umbatretire ekanisa yitu ya Nyamabare tukaba tugikozire ebyarrengo mwahure tugikozire munonga batusara batugarra amburzi cyanyoreka ngo ebitutwire tukora omukanisa ejo tutwire nkaba kusiso bwiri kandi twitwire tamamana gitu kugira ngo kanisa yitu gumeri ya mutindo
nishungo yo kugira ngo bakatwara referendum uko twine azo kumutwara twakenga bwinshi bamutwire kandi twabepereza je cyero twabepereza je ebikwetagwa kuba abakristayo tusazire kugira ngo itenga abakristayo tutandekeho ekanisa eyitwa kubasa kumurizamu emutuma yitu
abehagwire bateriro muranga Bishop Johnson Twino mujoni owa Western Kore okubaga romboteka gasha kwa Onesmus Ndyanabo na Ben Muhozi
15 o 13
mwebare abashacho bitu bamakurenganzi hanga Robina Nabanja yashabama na mzoho kugira Misiri eyabiciriza barukoreberaho bakege mpinga zo mtindo no kubanjira hintase y'amaramizo nabahure
enganzi hanga Robina Nabanja okugambe beno byabaryo mukuramya okwaba kereziye ya Mary Queen of the Rosary Catholic Church omuraka Chindo omu district ya Kakomero Nabanja nagira ngo abiciriza nibetenge cyo kureberaho kubasa kweyihombgoro kandi amaramizo nicyo mwaha bintu ebiro kubasa okube cyo kureberaho
Father tuinda gukora demonstration gardens abantu bayije basomere a parish tikuri kujya kusoma kereziya honka mujege a parish isomere yo bulimi nkwenda chikora buli parish neza abakristayo nkwenda kuchikora nuko kituyamba abantu bayitu kubanga kakumiro hara batukuba tutungira abantu abali cyo kuroleraho mu bicote bya ukayine ese jya kurakurana
Nabanja yashoborra yagira ngo mwebembezi wihanga akozere cyone cyo kubasika okuborera ngeri yentunguka omumaka abantu konka maramizo nago gine kwimukiramo omuhoreji
fune district tukwetongora engudo za chorus zine omu manifesto nizo na manifesto motoka yango obokebera pegi 10 alimo engudo empyaka ziri eza president ya Praganize kutukolera ngoza kushima kitirisa president abwa wealth creation message.
Obwihanga rukweteekateekera kuteera akaruru kabebembezi boona enganzo nabanja yashaba abantu okwijuka ebirungi NRM ekozere babaase kutoorana President Museveni.
Tujaguza ekiro kya Mukama Ruhanga muleke itwena tweyagaliro mu bitungire. Abantu bagamba we are protecting the games beach to protecting obusinge. Obusinge bwa Ruhanga yatuhaire, obusinge bwa NRM yalesire, obusinge bwa President Museveni yalesire.
Reverend Father Edward Manyirechi orubwana mukuru wa Kachindo we yasima government ya NRM ahabwe emisinje y'entunguka.
Muhanda bujaki yi baina nyibojo kamwe bali bojo hano kuruga hano kugenda hoima ne moto yange ntoyito kade tali kurungi muno eki koto muno dakika makumi ata baina ntinka kirora.
Enganza nabanja yabyara n'omutahakerezi yeji nkekijukizo gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.
Webale Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto. Enganzi hanga Robina Nabanja yayachire minyetero kurenga 30 abarujiro mchibina hicha National Unity Platform chete NUP okwegita hachibina cha NRM district ya Kakumiro. Eminyete jinejirangu bakabuzabuzwa ba NUP ngu government ya NRM terukufayo ahabuzubu byabo.
Aha mukorogo kwakira eminyeteji enganzi y'ihanga Robina Nabanja ayorekere miringo mingi eminyete kubasa kuganyirwamo on program za government mu PDM na YLP ebyaro kugira ngo hati bikiriyone bihwera abanya-Uganda kubasa kwetungura.
Nebi muti tukola ki titubimanya bwe tujja bakuba bukubi mu ngalo ati meya kurugana rwalero ine mirukeji batagaba sente otaro RDC tebagaba sente ng'abakulu bano kati tugenda kudamu tukola olukiiko bamala kulaba ebitundu 30 eby'abakazi webiri bana abakazi bayomba.
Ezra Safari orumukuru w'ekigombe kya NUP omutawuni kanso ya Mpasana n'endijo minyeto nibagira ngo bakahabisibwa ngo government ya NRM terukufayo okukora hanshongeze rukuteganisa minyeto ekibashangira ngo nebishuba. Safari agumize mu yagira ngo bacwiremo okugaruka mu kigombe kya NRM ahabwe birungi ebikozerwe.
Ana bona bampasana ababayiro munupu baweireyo
kiraze kumpera nagamba kangaruke nkahe omuka umwana ube tukaba mushema eshabire nena
icyantu singire munonga kuntwara mu nupu itwe tukulire mu NRM kongati twine kitubire tuyajigoborwiremu tubire tugezeho munonga abara tukulira nyitiriza ogenda kujankeze PDM babanza jangu nibakurambura oyino mwani wabo tagwine tibaka kuhezo sente.
Nabanja nagira ngo government ya NRM ekozero murumo gwayo okureba ngo buhereza bwahika abanya-Uganda.
Murumo gwa government kumanyirwe uri kuba ubuhereza kurora ntubawereza umumarwaro kubahereza amasomero gasinya na primary.
Nabanja yashaba bebembezi okongera kurebuza sente za government ezero kusindika ombyaro
ngabo tulinde za PDM ngabo tulinda byonna okubitereza RDC kyekimupisiza RDC egombola lye kakindo jembadde it is the same duli nali mugombola lye mwitanzi kyekimu nali nkoko kyekimu kakati mpasana natuka leti sabuza.
Eminyeto erugero mu kigombe kya NUP eraganise kurondera President Museveni akaruru nokwa yongere kwereza ihanga gasha kwa Thomas Tumwebaze.
Webare Thomas Tumwebaze reka tumira tugaruka naganda makuru.
Movit Relaxer Cream brought to you by Africa's leading hair and skin experts. I get to wear my hair like I live my life.
agarukurataho abari basente bacekozire bwo bari kuhendera ekiro cya Nohiro muri Kamwenge.
Movit Relaxer Cream, brought to you by Africa's leading hair and skin experts. I get to wear my hair like I live my life.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, echenyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaro, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kande chokunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel ne shangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36 36 33
Kuruku bujwireje turkwitaga no kugamba aba original garments bari sirimpinduko mu kujwara nibajwe kabashija nabojo hamwe n'abana na perfume zone bine suits z'umurembe ezimbaga eza office amasata gagumire na t-shirts empare za office hamwe na za casual wear denim jeans hamwe na shirts jumpers na sweaters z'umurembe bine na shorts hamwe na belts enunji abarkwenda vests boxers hamwe na socks original kiraba original garments abashija enkito zanye nunji is the original is our office sneakers hamwe na flats original garments nibashangwa hala Grand Mall Mbarara City a High Street ahamwarugo kubanza room namba ya kana note mshanju 82 emwe mshanju mukaga note na note mshanju note emwe mshanju mukaga note
Nze Stuart Kalisa director Stuart Trading Company ekole ekyokunywa ekya Mpenkoni drink wamu n'Empenkoni Star round baso nga twotadde akasitiwa coffee twala omukisa okweyanza bakasitoma baffe mwenna okwetoloola eggwanga lyaffe Uganda abantu mwenna abanywa ekyokunywa kyaffe abatwagira ku kyokunywa abatwagira ku sabuni n'abatwagira okunywa kafe akabya kasitiwa coffee baagaliza Christmas enungi n'omwaka omupya era mbasaba ate nga mbakubiriza okuba akalulu akedembe
Christmas bunyaruguru development sako yakuretera shitere Nyamurungi ahiburi mwarije kuhangura bwa nyuma yo kugura no kusevinga emyeze 3 kuruga kibanzo ku 10 kutabira na bishatu byo ku 12 1025 otihireyo rere kirakomugisha go kutaho mukazano ko kuhangura ebirabonye mwinji wasevinga miliyoni 2 neshweka nemigabo miliyoni 2 neshweka notungo mugisha go kuhangura wasevinga emitwara 5 nemigabo emitwara 5 notungo mugisha go kuhangura wasevinga emitwara 25 nemigabo emitwara 25 notungo mugisha go kuhangura nkoko shukari omucheri emigazi nebindi nibaharon za boda dairy school fees agriculture emergency home improvement water harvest commercial loans nebindi nibashangwa Nyakasharu Bunyaruguru head office kandi bine branch Chambura Kitagwenda Ibanda Kagongo Kasese Katungu
Kati
banjura ba Allen Interiors and Designing Hardware abantu bo bakafuruba interior designing omuri burengero rw'izoba orino yombeka ninga nunguza makagawe hoteli amashomero ninga business yawe tutayayiro yotungira amatara ga chandelier agarika wa okashangura buraya sink zo murembe tiles za burishika wallpapers za toilet sheets dressing tables na millers shower mixers jacuzzi zo murembe za curtain water heaters tap mixers door locks carpets n'ebindi bingi kandi nibaguza kamwe hamwe na nokushubura nibashanga mu Mbarara City akikinya Bongo Street hina gate ya Baspaka aho uziri kutahira esumu noto mushanju 2 anane 2 abiri na mushanju 9
manager ogito wagito konka batumu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze zenyune byo ni shara cake tukazakunywa mbogo
na wampenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ningende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje
Noireji Jemara Gogo Country Hotel and Cultural Center omwanya munjo kujya ha highway ogo kutunjiro cha mushana no kwegarura mamani ebirabi na byo ku 12 shemerego by'inshogoro bya Nohire omutezi wa saxophone hamwe no muziki gwa DJ Hardboy aha Nohire ijoga ashura nabeka yawe obwe hariho live band na ba DJs abakabi ebirabi na mukaga boxing day ni Gogo Kids Festival and Family Day izoba ry'abana kushayaya bakazana abanyabuzane n'abanyamikago rero kusibura mwaka twegitebirasha tunishimo byo ku 12 ahabwizo bagegenzagwa otebigo fireworks hamwe na besho zagenzagwa rero twacora mwaka bwo 2022 mu style achibanza mwaka kwato mwanya hati tera noti mushanje mukaga nshanje nibi 28 ninga za mukutu igongo.co.ug igongo ahebitaryewa ebyo biro bikuru birakolewa
Echo chikurechi yetungire Altar Wine ya St. Peter's. St. Peter's Altar Wine ekozirwa mu mizabibu yonka kandi tebekanisibe kurungi kukozesa mu maramizo. St. Peter's Altar Wine niyo mutindo umurungi kandi ekozirwe ahabwawe nanye. St. Peter's Altar Wine nekorwa aba Red Star Wines kandi neshangwa mu maduka gono mu ihanga ryona okumenya kukira hotela no mushanje ibi mukaga note ina 5 Narishi not mshanje ibiri mukaga mshanje 5 ina emwe
kuri mucho wararoteka tetera byo kombeka jeno mu ba Dubai P&C Uganda Limited abarushangwa Mbarara City ubwa hatabafurikire kimwe bakarga Garage Street no bashanga Makanising Street akizimbe cy'abasista hamwe na shungiri na Joseph House hamwe na hawe yabo Goma erukushangwa Victor Bwana Road washumira abanda byembaho ogwaza Andrews aho akatareka Makanising kafurikire ahawe house yabo bine hotels nyamwingi enchene mpango nka 60 by 60 na 120 by 60 okurga omtwaifo Kenya na China mikaso size zona nebikabya adhesive nka quick stick tile adhesive erukusaba tiles mpango n'amabarega bisika na swimming pools twinitaji shaka waguro mu bwingi transport eruho wayika showroom yabe ya hawe ya house ebintu byona no butandu bata
makuru abicirizo mu district y'Isinjiro bashaka kuja kuzahebera kurebi no bwejen ndetse neza ushaka kwa hewa minister President Ramama ahamukora go kweshongora hebye shongoro byano hiro mparishe yakakoma mu district y'Isinjiro
abarukure myanya yo kushemererwamo zigire kubashahemwe bayitebikanise okwakira ba customer abatarobotosha abashiro myanya jo mbwenji kandi babire bartwenje imyanya egi erimu E-Class Eden Motel VIP na Relief kandi okuni abantu bizerekanya aho bamwe abo tugambireho nabo borekere ko abantu beyonjire okutanaho n'ebindi biro abari ba sente bagizire ngo bashaziremo okushemererwa no kurya akasente kabo nk'uko abandi batwaza obwo bagumize ngo ebyense n'omushenyi abarokoro myanya yo kuchakaramo borekere ko gahati bedebekanise kongera hamani okushemeza abantu abari kwija kuchakarra myanya eji gasha kwa Anthony Twine
turukureba uko baje kwize Christmas obo bari kurya sente zabo kamishana w'ikitongole cya government cyo kurwanira ubugabe bw'abantu cya Uganda Human Rights Commission ahabwire abatura n'abashobozi bakaboho muri Shema Municipality ngo berinde abanyabutegetsi abarukwenda kubakozesa nkamadara go kutemberaho
Jacqueline atire okwabura abashubuzo kwe harabarukwenda kubakozesa nkamadara n'ubwabire naronda karuro mu tawuni ya Kabwohe Jacqueline agambere ahakutungura itendekere rya Ankole Western University eri yahire computer chanana kandi ubwahato rwenda ngo bishomero rigire computer laboratory
Ndeka yanje ekeryo yo kugira ngo uri primary uri secondary egira computer lab ni manya ngo government omurikari cyura mu yaye National Development for ni benda
na bwanyuma aba boda bamurambuize nguto zetawuni barukumuvuga ngo urebyina umuganda nkago umuhabuzi wa president hanshunga za manifesto Professor Ephraim Kamuntu ashabira abaturo mu ihango kwendezana kandi bagire kwakire basimero hanga ebi byona Kamuntu yabigambira izuba ubyaba nabugana habanyamakuru omakageshema
obumwe ihorere nanobugweje izuba ryo kuzarwa kwa Kristo n'ikindi izuba kununga none abantu muresime kandi musime ruhanga umuntu eshongora tusime ruhanga oturinzire tukamareje imyaka yona naturindaje ntumusima kandi tusima nizo bari kuzarwa kwa mugabo witu
bitu mnyishengera habwashema municipality Dickson Cole na Kateshumbwa yashaba baturo ku musinje kandi betanta rukonda no makagabo
ndakutwara umucogo kurusya ahabo kika haruna kurukuru rwa Christmas kandi batengere Christmas mungi no mwaka msemurungi sabengi twaba turi mu kujakuza tijuke umusinje kandi tijuke kureba mutwayombeka amakagi akagira okunda na umaka kandi baba spending turi kumanyango Christmas yargamu zakubantu no mu mashomero mu mwaka w'icyo kutandika twakora twasevinga
amakuru agagasha kwa twakira umushema
tugaruka naganda amakuru guma ha TV West.
Oino mukoronke mbaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nene kuri nizo yona abatina events bakuretera ubuhereza bw'ururengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents z'ibindi byona akasente kenshiko tina events ni bashangwa achombeko echa Central Market room na 17 ari Mbaguta Street omuri City ukomanya bikira hotera noti mushaje mukaga 5 chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito twengo muri burengero rw'izoba abino buhereza bw'umurembe
Noro no mwanya gw'obuhumuro ogurumwa businge kandi guboniro muri Mbarara City Summit Gold Hotel ni twoburaro bw'omurembe buri kishenge kiri mu DSTV intercom na wifi twineza kodeki za gardens impango ezokora mu amagenyi agaburikika oine business meeting leta abantu bawe omu conference hall tune restaurant ekutebekanise ebyo kurya ebya mulingo lero cyaka kukiringa bine bara erimwe cyo kunywa cyeka cyona ejo kwenda ebyo kwerinda byitu bikebembire bindi byona okubukinga tera 052 tusanje asungine nakatare kakatozo akashozi kabe harwe omuri Mbarara City katochi no bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya mutindo katochi okurugeri izoba abantu banje tibaga kugenda kwa mutima yaguma bina mashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya echa katochi mugume munywecho katochi no bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya mutindo katochi na chama chayo Katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi teri kuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
noro numanya aho bugwaje buri kuvuga bugana umtindo twakwakira ahari The Arena Villas and Hotel shemererwa umuhereza bungi ubumtindo bahiguru ubwo buraro umwanya guri kuretera wahurira nkoryo muka twine restaurant y'umtindo kandi nitwara ko afite y'umurembe hamwe na pizza ako kunywa karungi abara y'umtindo ubwo uri kura ubuhumuriro burungi ubutakarebaga parking name rira kandi rinze rweje hariho na wifi ahubwo kuba ubusinge bwawe ni kikuru hari The Arena Villas and Hotel twine gardens z'umtindo The Arena Villas and Hotel no hurira nkoryo mukabuzima nicangwa inyuma ya Shermaking aruguto rwa Masaka gamba nitwe ari noti 3 10 50 ninga noti 2 noti chenda nina 82 ya mjungu sako ya kuretera umucago kwetaba mu kazano kandi ukasingura ibihembo nyamwinji bwa nyuma yo kubika kumara imyaka 3 tari hayo bika kutandikira imtwari 10 osingura ibihembe biri mente ibihembe bindi biri mu za water tanks smartphones embuzi emfariso za brangiti enkoko n'ekitire cy'enyamurundi hano kusingura na AGM ubwinji bwo konje bwaragure mcha yawe yo kusingura ereyongera ya mujungu sako bino buhereza bwa business loans school fees loans agriculture loans boda n'izindi nyinji ya mujungu sako era cyangwa ya mujungu yakasharara kaharo umurikabare kandi ina mataji umurikahondo maziba buharaka mwezi gwa tunguru kigonji kabare rubaya hari rya karimera rubanda na rwentobo tungamo esimu noti mushanje 2 anana mushanju 58 nkaga na mwenda
Grandma Child Care Nursery and Primary School abari kushangwa rwagati ya Mbarara Buchungu Road ahashungine na bus park ahageti erikuza kabare bakwinire obuhereza bwo mutano nibakira abana okurga omudekea okuhika happy 5 kandi nibakira abana bo ababa n'abakazire babo bariko banobaza omungendo okweza eshaha ez'orukwenda okubanza okusya Sunday bine bouncing castles, swimming pool, ebyehubo hamwe n'obuhumuro burungi. Transport y'abana eriho bine CCTV cameras ahabwa security esimuli note mushanju note atano na mukaga makumi abiri kinana na mushanju.
From the lush highlands of Ankole, Uganda, where the earth and the air nurture every seed, comes a coffee like no other. Each bean is carefully grown and handpicked by rural farmers, sustaining the land and empowering our communities. At Ankole Coffee Producers Cooperative Union, SCPCU, we bring you the perfect roasted coffee cup in a meticulous process from the roastery to your cup with a bold, aromatic, smooth taste. As you savor our finest flavors, our farmers and youth are empowered by SCPCU's community initiatives. Taste the difference of Ankole Coffee, a naturally bold product of SCPCU. For more info, call 800 300 533.
Ebiro bibiri byoko kubanza 2026
we shall be at Global High School.
Global High School.
na kigamba ebiro bibiri byoko kubanza mwaka gw'2026 abatira kitena n'abanyabale bitu n'abanyamukago bona abari kukunda evangelist Timothy Kabalebe tandiko mwaka gwo kwambata bitukinjire kugamba kirongo cya Global High School omutown tandika na cyayi 12 zakatema oletabaruire olekyempumi oletabalema oletabazinga amakagale business zikanga cyone cyakuba cyayanjiro magaragawo okireke tutanjurire mukamu mwaka guru kutandika
obwengulo obulabiko obulungi okutuukira ddala ku ttaka erya lanchi eya kitaka. Lanchi zino tuzirabirira ne ku bisenge, ku mmotoka ne mu bunyonyi kw'ossa ne mu bisolo eby'enjawulo. Lanchi eno erungi ya buli kimu. Lanchi kwebulamu
okusinziira ku langi ez'enjawulo enkumulituze tulina ku Global Paint ye langi wa Global aleetawo enjawulo ku bisenge. Tulina Global Silk Vinyl asiigibwa munda, Global Weathercoat asiigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte Oasis Sealing. Weefunire langi ya Global ku hardware yonna ekuli okumpi. Global Paint, a reliable product.
Millennium Sacco 2012 eyihireyo okutunguura hamwe n'okuyamba buli muntu wenna bino obuhereza nka voluntary saving, fixed deposit, joint accounts, institutional account, group accounts n'ezindi. Bino obuhereza bwa looni eza buli mulingo. Bine M-Sacco n'engashi mobile banking. Habwa MTN zaha simu yawe imata star igana nkaga ni 5 hash. Sacco ID ni ADMS, member ID oteho account number yawe. Habwa Airtel imata star igana 5 hash. Sacco ID oteho MMM nkaga na mwenda. Not mukaga. Member number oteho account number yawe. Bahichirire head office achombeko cha Church Community Center Harimaguta Street Mbarara. Ningashi amataji gabo Nkarugaga, Ibanda, Kabuyanda, Chinoni, Ngarama, Kamwenje, Ndinda Branch, Kampala, na BSU Branch, omuli Bishop Stewart University. Hesimu, noti mshanju mnani, 11, abina mwenda, chinara na mshanju, ninga, noti mshanju, noti mkaga, ashatu na mshanju, mkaga na mshanju, anana mkaga.
Yantode School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetebe chibwena abahereza sini ya kanane ya mkaga kwisha kwehanditsaho amashomo certificate na diploma ombunasi obuzarusa na lab technology omwejero kwenda umwanya ushemere kubishikira ku bantu hamwe n'ibya science iwe kwenda kushoma diploma ushemere kubona certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire myaka ebiro mfield buri mwezi nahawe umugisha gwo kushoma gani mashomo ga teknolojia kumwongera umugisha gwo kakanara nyensiya nka scanning na sonography, lab technologies, business na vocational skills na byo bitakwibiri. Bursaries zichiruho mu gihugu. Ishomero nirishangwa ryantonde haruguto rwa Kampala kandi kumayibiri kukira hotera no tumushanju 8 mukaga nshanju ni 3 nshanju ni 5 ashatuna
amazina ndi azo kumanya kuturumu aha twina masarazi aho njo ngizi ndarukoma niye kumibiri fresh olekisa aho naho ngazo fresh sora bamba sora yabo kongo mukozesa ile bintu byinyi shora yawe tekukira kurarara aha ni ndise nkoko shora ni njukoresha ku brooding nkoko nke 15 15 shanga ziri mburuda
mweniwe owa saruni abamashomero abamaduka abazafamu n'abatunzi b'enkoko banyine maka abamabara na za hoteli tunga sora ya fresi rero kora amagoba izuka ngo bagikushumikira bagikanike kandi bagaruza mekiri kusikara aho gabusha free ebru kuchira hotela not munana not hasha tuna mukaga hata na mshanju ngaga ni 5 eyabusha
Way to Morocco with Uganda Cranes and MTN. Simply buy a Gaga bundle by dialing *100 *0# and stand a chance to win a fully paid trip to Morocco. Gaga your way to Morocco with Uganda Cranes and MTN. Together, our fire is unstoppable. Fire! MTN. Terms and conditions apply. MTN Uganda is regulated by Uganda Communications Commission.
Bumbeire Secondary School Day and Boarding irikushangwa Bumbeire Bushenyi District ekwinyogeje burungi kandi bwo mutindo gwa higuru binabashomesa batendekirweje abeji nibahikira hidara rya higuru buri mwaka nirimo amashomero agari kwijaga bembire Bushenyi District. Bumbeire Secondary School ine library na laboratory na computer lab ziri kwemalirira ahabwa abeji kandi zirya mutindo gwa ministry yebyobwegese. Bumbeire Secondary School ehandikise na ministry yebyobwegese bine neb center number emyanya kiriho okurwo munsi niyo yo kubanza okwiko munsi niyo yakana 2026 kumanye biri kukiraho tera not mshanje 2 ashatu na mwenda 21 23 ugambe na director Mr. Barahuka Denning.
Kuruka yumka humro habikirizo mu district isinjiro bashagwa okushaguza ebiro bikuru ebino kwegendesereza okushabo kwahebwa Minister Bright Ramira Mahamkoro okupeshongora ibishongo bya Nohiro Parish ya Kakoma district isinjiro.
Kwaya za senta hamwe na za hika zitari zimwe na zimwe ezirukora Kakoma Parish nizo zahitabo mu kuhimbya ibyeshongoro bya Nohiri ebitebekanisiibwe parish egi. Reverend Father Vincent Birungi bwana mukuru wa Kakoma Parish yasima za kwaya zahitabo mu kweshongoro ibishongoro byo kuhimbya icyo cyamaze bwa Kristo.
Babatendekere kwaye z'abayande kwaya zone zi ukubasa kwitaba umukorogo kandi unabwe utumwa bwa Kristo bwashabirwa nakorera eklesiya ye.
Abembeza bahika mukorogo basima parish egi abo kutebekanisa kweshongoro ku
izoba tuje kwimza umugambi w'amakagira ngo kweshongora je kuba wahimsa kabiri seri zatabantimsa mukama abo kuzaro umwana we ikindi kwa yakugwa ku hayana bakeshongora bakongera mutindo
n'ikirungi ngo mugishireho kandi yashanga muri abahurire konga ekikuru munonga amasabo gamba Kristo gatwegese oburinganiza omutima yitu gatwegese okwetisa gaturetere na nokusasira
babeshongoza bahitabo mu kweshongoro ku basima parish abo kutahinze bekaniseji.
twenda tuyiyogo mweshongoza tugire kuri hansi agurasuruto kugira ngo nawe ayije aza parish ayishongore ayimukire bwana mukuru ayimukire abakristo babo
karozezi nizituyamba munonga kuruvinga ebishoncho byo kweshongora na munonga twatwine mukabana bato nibakuru muri.
Minister Bright Ramira owahika mukorogo yashaba abanyisingiro kutwaza byo mu biro bikurebi nangwa no mukarura karo kwije kureba ngo batora nabemeza barabakorere.
Government yitu yitu mukima yaho tukatandukana ibyo biti abari kwatarika twabiraho ki n'abantu
utintuhendeka mu kirebe nko mucisha bwo kureba yewe abanyamaguru batira ngo katuma wo bagira ki
umugani okuruseba bashabirwa kugezaho bakongera kumenya amakuru agukuzana kwa Yesu Kristo. Ebi biganiro mushaba kubira hakanisa yarwa bashandura cyacho Uganda muri Kabingo mu district y'Isingiro kandi okwetabirwa umuntu wese mirante biyo myishengero kazabwa district y'Isingiro riya nuruteraho
abo kwa yabura kuzarwa kwa Yesu na Yesu kuzarwa kwe kwashanga nyowe niwe turuta buri muntu mu dine ya rushabiramu bashanga ngo wazarwa akasigawe kitinisa yisho munsi konkano shanga abantu mbafu ushanga abantu nubararo mbarampaka busese
nkushaboku abakosaba b'imbaraga no kwicerezo mu binte bindi bajumirirwe
atandireka kutwara hibata amba uyoye ejo myanya y'abantu batangira y'umuntu kwetezeza noga abishaka tugere kure tumanya muhano wa fei tumanya muhano wa kurandi tumanya muhano wa zoti
bambara abantu biyange na munongi Isingiro mureke tumanyera hanga abyakishara biraze kutushangira ahubwo turiyo nso mu karuru akarura kakashange mutuma yite yezere tutakorana kubi tuguma mu mbazi
Aiden Bataringaya hamwe na Ruthun Wamanya.
RDC wa Chiruhura District umwami George abakunda habwira barisa n'abahinje ngo bibo teribwa kwereke byarwa kandi kweheza kwera oria hebyo muntu yasharura embibe basa kugumaho obuhabuzobu buhirwa barisa mu district ya Chiruhura.
Abantu kuhaburwa okureka embebo za PDM ngo zibanze zikore zirujya mu byinji nobo RDC wa district ya Chiruhura George bakunda abire nakingaho mushomo gw'abarisa n'abahinji abeteranira harwanyangwe parish development model omugomboro ya Kashonjo mu district eji
PDM ni parish development model ninga umuringo go kutungura mu rukagona kuruga yuko bagiye twabona turabumiruka ya Uganda no gugwaranyangwe gurumu tushemereye kureba intungukane yegamba heru turebe mahanda tureba amezi marungi tureba abantu bayinama kamarungi bayine toilet facilities turebe ensiyone tungukenere bakaje nabana bashomere bazamashomero
cyangirwa nkere babaho katakanya ekayeka hinguzo bwa kugumana ejo n'sebwa nkishomero ryo kuteneka abahinje n'abarisa ba PDM omumuruka gwarwanyangwe omugomboro ya Kashonji
so atajwa twara miliyoni emwe akarugaha akagigura umuzinda gwa hufa go kutera akagigura TV akagigura ekitengi ninga kaginyu ninga kagikusuza Nazara ya mutayaye akagura embuza akagibaga hato buno wariye mbibo
yo RDC nganye ni hita mukaga nasanga nita mbweni ndiyo mu negative so kunizere nagenda muranga ba president munte homwani ni sempoko ntunje mpene ngakengere n'entase y'amati
abani ngamba munonga enterprise selection eche nagendera munonga nabwe kimyanya ena iyo itru kugezesizaho bwo kugezesiza kubanza na production analysis na abani mbagambira ngo no bwinji no burungi bwo mwuga ebyo kugumanya haha mu gogwe risks zo kushanga umwuga na n'ibindi kwatiri na
chairman wa district ya Chiruhura Dan Mukago arabwira abashuma ngo muzego bushuma bagujomwe
ngambire ba coordinators bitukano ryangwa abakwibana bahimani ba agents tubagambire ubwo mutwe bagujunwe
esente tubazitangunizo z'urukwenda guhera abana tubazitangunizo z'urukwenda kutahweka zonka konka nanisha abangu twikwata nsimu ibase kugira umukoro muhanga muhango abo kuba bari hamwe nibo bakora umurimo muhango
omushomo gubire bujanirire kwegesa barisa ahandisa nunji yomutindo gasha kwa Frederick Anyene
Babariye Frederick Anyene ntugaruka n'amakuru g'ebyemizano hotarga ha TV West.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola when I'm watching my kazanyo
anti ku highway nga mvuga simakire ekyo shuwa Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch. Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching. Psalms, taste the difference.
At Advanced International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Empowering girls of today and tomorrow. Welcome to Chivura Girls Secondary School, the premier girls secondary school located in the heart of Ibanda town near the Diocese of Northwest Ankole Ibanda. On the foundation of the Anglican faith, our school offers a supportive and inclusive learning environment where girls can grow, explore and discover their full potential. From academics to arts, sports to leadership, we provide a holistic education that prepares our girls for success in all aspects of life. Apply now and empower her to become the woman of substance she is meant to be. With courage, we march to progress. Contact 077 693 1113.
Your way to Morocco with Uganda Cranes and MTN. Simply buy a Gaga bundle by dialing *100*0# and stand a chance to win a fully paid trip to Morocco. Gaga your way to Morocco with Uganda Cranes and MTN. Together, our fire is unstoppable. Fire! MTN. Terms and conditions apply. MTN Uganda is regulated by Uganda Communications Commission.
St. Michael High School Rugazi ni ishomero rirungi ery'omutindo kandi riri kwesimisa ni ishomero rya gavumenti ahansi ya USE ryamusinje gwekerezia nerya dena boarding niryakira bojo n'abishiki nirishomesa science na arts on a level ine library y'omutindo computer lab ninungi erimu buli kimwe classrooms eziri kumara kandi zo mutindo nibashomesa bari kutomu nkora nka curriculum ensya okweri kwegesa bine projects ngorutoke okuri sembuzi empunu kandi ombyemizano hino ri kubingana aha district abashomesa batendekirweje ebishere by'ishomero nibibasibwa bashanje Rugazi Rubirizi ninga baterera simu noti mushanje 2 kinana na 8 22 30.
amakuru agibimzano timu y'ecari cyakacinga hamwe ne ya Russia nizo zirabireho kwayanira ezakamaririzo ezempaka zatumuhimbise kape zirije kubahebira runamshanjo byo kwezo kwempakezi zigendera gutandikaho impaka za Kangalika ziri kuja kutonga zubaho umwaka kwisha
shanga ule uyuta kwa tiro bintu ebindi batachai maybe charge abanokora organizations kusingari yezo no kumanyana
kandi reve yitwaikaho turi ya professionalizinga naro kupeka amtindo gwa higuru kumekinga shuwangwa abana barukusamba nabarugomero kejo tumanya iroseze bakorogaho bari organized bakozere constitution yabo turi kugendera kutaho muri ligi ya Bukangano
Umuganda makuru g'imizano gwanyuma y'ihanga ya Uganda omukuzana muzano gw'umupira gw'ebyere ya Uganda kurangiza kutandika ku bihempaka za Africa aho yasinjirwe Tunisia na goli 5 harwa kabiri negaruka mukuzana na Tanzania nyenshakare Uganda neyeta gusinga muzano kutangaza imigisha yo kusigara homo mpakeze zitebekanisi bo mu ihanga ya Morocco.
The distance between you, guys. You have to keep the distance between you. Finish here. I have to go. Line, guy, line. Use your line here. Come on. Wait until the end of the position. Yes, come on, like this. Shoot. Come on.
Wabere kureba makuru hagacencire hagongo twabatwenira umwebazi yo gukana gategereza nyenshakare umakuru hagacencira nagakusiyona abantu Mbabazi Charity reka nkwendeze weekend noncho bari kurunje
TV West neja kuberebera hamwe okurwa mu byaro okuzo mu tawuni umuntu yaraneza kurundo bururu hamwe n'ibiganiro turi mu cyanga cyawe ishayona turi kuretera ebirukufayo amakuru gaho naho na buri kimwe cyona icyo muri witwa ane kumenya bivuze kumize yakubira kumenya aho ko cyane cyona TV West neje kuba neje kwisiyaho TV West nehinda
Ishaha zabishatu z'ikiro na
You can now get all the chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks. Kubei Dondoro. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000. Or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21 hash and select daily or use the My MTN app.
Ukumbereba ne kukibaho
Prince Uganda ekitongole ekirize okutereza amashanyarazi gizoba behireyo okuhindura amagara gawe bari kwisaho amashanyarazi ga sola agari kwesigwa omuri buli kyetengo cyawe cyona
oyine mbogoka naba mu rugi ayibambe ne korera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
Tina Events bakuretera umuhereza bw'ururengo rw'ensi yona ubwa decoration mega tent hamwe na tent zebike bindi byona akasente kensheko
program bireba abana n'abaramutya yes kumbire mwe bari abana kugireba azambere nimba missinga nanje ninje mbere no missinga bana mwirebeka ngo mwanywembogo mu cyumure iki cyumuro nikiringwa the whole of January ne cyumuro munywembogo ebatereze jo mu ndomwe mwahora akacupa nisiringira 10 n'uyo nokegura chikwetagoze kashabasho yes akacupa nisiringira 10 umukasheshe no muyango na wanoza kubyama wano basa utakwasa kamwe kakumara ninge mirundi 20 kikakukora Tina events abantu bobo abaine mega tents zamani kandi na tent season ensiye nungi ez'abantu 10 nazo zuru bine generator bakwenda kupanisa generator they are decorators. Decoration you have, of course, it is the best. Bine carpets, bine boards, bine, oh my God. Kurembaga kareka homisho space yona katera board akabatera hebitebe wiza kutere simu okargo mchidara kuyo kamera ari okatere simu yawe arho photo booth. What are you talking about? Yes. Aha, abona batina fresh Uganda n'amashanzo gijoba abenkoko aba welding abamashomero abamarwaro please lower such a road imbarara muzeyo kwayaringa no kutera no kwabusa echiro chikuru murebeka ngo mwaba smart okuba smart kwetaga o exaggerating obenka Christmas tree yes kwa attracting attention omwiramizo ati no attracting a criticism abantu bataka kugamba jwara obe smart konko tarenzya abo kubatine cyamane cyurum yes tiwo kutuza esente omukirezi tiwo kutuza yo esente omukanisa ngoze kujwara estetya cha miliyoni oze kujwara nkito ya mitwa miliyoni eshaho gende no giroti no yumsi omukono atiko kore byona oya attractinga bina zibeka yanyu ya attractinga abantu bakugamba bitoko bajure estetya cha mana abana b'mbashomere bashanga bana bawo twari mashomere gari expensive bishogo just you taking a net ainente zinga nojemura wanyetekereza bakandika bakugambaho iwo waba smart iwo notekateka uri akabe konka kuri sisimo cyo notungo musate zitega samno nyoncho ntenda kusitama no misho abakoko kuzomisho wasitama misho hata abantu baniwo kwamba gamuka byo kugamba no nabocho mwegende series yes bas smart konko tarenze level yawe yo gwa smartness yes utarenze nyobuna beniza bitwa twara muzama koti Uganda House ko twajigamba miliyoni emwe naje tere kare nyuti basa kuzora koti ya miliyoni emwe chati nyine buri bwo nkantine motoka tinya motoka nkanyine nje bishenje bi kandi nayanga bese majate koti humara tiwo kuza kushashura ni de konka kanta kuvasa nabweto basmart onyetegereze yoreke ngo abasmart konko tarenza tine cyo kwenda koreka abantu bakumanya aho kurarana bahamanya abana baye kushomana bahamanya orutoki rw'abantu barumanya amatungo gabona bagamanya so reka kwe for a topic kandi negative nichasha konga churi kwatobwana obujweke nkitozo kuyomba mu karisa obwana nkitozo lanzvigira kwa uyu buzukune obwana bachita burarachirago nabwe cyo yetware abantu bakumanya yuzwe kabana bawe mpora bageno Sunday school bize ni ugendo rondo mwenda gwawe jwara onabo tege ningo kome bishoche byawe mushoteka musuti yawe obesimpo but smart imbere cyo chukuru cyurungi mukiriye jejejeje na no businje no kwenkubereba iwe no bereba
okumbereba yaba ni ku kibuga
France Uganda ekitongore ekirize okutereza amashanyarazi gizoba beyireyo kwindura amagara gawe bari kwiseho amashanyarazi ga sola agari kwesigwa omuri buri cyedemo cyawe cyona mwine bokoka ndaba mu ruvugi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka mesha zanje Atina Events baguretera umuhereza bw'ururengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tent tent zebike bindi byona akasete kenshiko
omuzano musya obusasi bwo mukazi
yayamba
Dera ni wate Mbabazi ina kutia
ona stoyebuza
omuzano gu nugwegese ebintu bikwasira hamaka no kubasa kurwanisa okutunduzibwa okuhereza n'ebitiniso mu bashwerine hamwe n'ebindi bingi ebituruka no makagaitu
wajangwe chistetane chikaze ninga nechisha
no mukazi bambi
aro mukazi ari kunuke chai
mara kuri
takuzagaraka no mawe imbase kwata kasho mcheka kwa chinyani kula
nanya ninkuze cyakuyamura mweze shani iki
iwe
entebe nashitamo ko narana leta akaceka nakataho nabyama nakora mushango
iwe shono stama mcheka ugaruko stamena ntebe
niko kucyeka ndafata biriba
omuzano nugubagoroho burwa mukaga na Sunday shayishatu zekiro kandi gwijagaruka mu rwo kubanza no rwa kabiri shamwenda neshwe kazi hangwe
omubwire bw'akaruro TV West neja kuberebera hamwe okudubyaro okuzutabone umuteraneza bari ku rundo bururu hamwe n'ibiganiro turi mu cyanga cyawe eshayona turi kuretera ebirukufayo amakuru gaho naho na buri kimwe cyona ecyo murebi wito ariko kumenya kutazakimisa gikubira kumenya ahubwo kubera biho cyona TV West neja kuba nechikwisiyaho TV West nehinda
ni Musima Keti kansara bwizibwera Rutoma Town Council no busasi bwinji nabika omuhala gift ani Mbabazi afiriza bari bakashate na 2025 kandogu agwira umwirwaro murago kandi yakira president Kaguta Museveni mukuru w'ihanga rya Uganda Mrs Jane Bareche State House Controller honorable Margaret Wejambo woman MP Mbara District honorable Loida Muhimbura twino mujuni okwa serebendera ya NRM Abwambara District honorable Itungo Nassan Owakashar South honorable Kateshu Dixon Washington Municipality honorable Eliot Mwesije Jenima Buhanda LC5 Shema District na marahire turwa mashonje leaders Tabaro hamwe na kanso ya Mbara District Muwes David mukuru w'abakozi bw'Ambara District kando kuzika gifa Mbabazi na sandira na 2025 shaitano zakasheshe omakagabo bwizbwera upper ward omurkashari Mbarara omugenzi mukama muhumuzeje
uruhire n'uruzanangende rukutunga stika za moto third party okubamba no kubamba urupapuro rwo buri mwaka yakira ebiro byo bya nyensya kangwanjura enkoransia ya digital moto third party stickers nebutura obwecu bw'ekiruka cyawe no bwerinzi eyango okoresa kandi eri kushisha by'obuhangwa shashura digital sticker ahabwa moto third party okorabera harmomo Airtel Money, Pewe, Centenary Bank na Diamond Trust Bank. Rero otware namba ya reference are agent urukwikirizobwa kandi oine license nuko tunje digital sticker ya moto third party from digital na moto third party digital sticker. Obutumwa obu nubukicibwaho aba Uganda Insurance Association.
Meet James. James has been searching for happiness for years. So we asked locals to point him to the source of their happiness. Until one fateful night, when his search finally came to an abrupt end. Find your happy place with GoTV. Get GoTV to enjoy a wide range of shows for the whole family. GoTV. Love it.
Director, Management na staff ya Kability Foods and Beverages Limited nibeneza aba agents, distributors na customers babo. Christmas yihorere n'umwaka musya ogwa 2026 ogwo businje kandi nibabamanyisa kuba bakolire ecyo kunywa ekindi ekiri kwetwa Katochi Kombucha. Ubuntu Hill School Namulonge niriyishomero ryonka eriko zirizina omukoraje bigezo nichemesa kurungi twine buri kimwe ekiri kwetagisa buri mweje ka library laboratory computers standby generator n'uburaro burungi kandi omubyemizano turi ahiguru cyayika compound nibwo mwanya ogwo mwana ari kuzamu okashangwa ryomuka turyamusinje gw'edini y'obusiramu kandi turi kushorora mu madini nichemesa bojo nabishiki school fees buri muzire naje basa.
Your way to Morocco with Uganda Cranes and MTN. Simply buy a Gaga bundle by dialing *100*0# and stand a chance to win a fully paid trip to Morocco. Gaga your way to Morocco with Uganda Cranes and MTN. Together, our fire is unstoppable. Fire! MTN. Terms and conditions apply. MTN Uganda is regulated by Uganda Communications Commission.
Omuzire obuhanguzi n'obutunga washomeseza omwana St Peter's SS Bombo Kalule eryebembera gandi kubangura beji okutunga obuhango bw'omutano aha rurengo rwa senior kandi barukuhangahangaho omurembo guri mu science hamwe na teknologiya. St Peter's SS Bombo Kalule eyino mwanya gwehererire kandi gutebekanisiibwe kwera omweji kukiriza bigendererwa bibyo kushoma classes n'impango oburaro bw'omurembe abeji nibarebererwa kurungi nitwebembeza n'okukuza talanta z'abeji omu music dance and drama n'ebyemizano twine O na A level handi kisomo eky'erizooba omwojo ningashi omwishiki akuguce omu kushoma kw'omurembe kuriho hati tushanje mayiro 23 ruguto rwa bombo aha main road pera noti mushanje 53 nkaga nina 28 ashatu n'ibiri
Bitaze bamba kalule esomero ly'omuzira Nehinda 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 Nehinda
Group could have been the target. How much of an impact would this have in fighting terrorism, especially in the northwestern part of the country?
They are growing, maybe just as Boko Haram started. So, but I think they are the lesser threat compared to the bandits, ISWAP, and Boko Haram.
So if you say that they are a lesser threat, would you say that this airstrike, would it have any major impact? Would it just have a minimal impact in the fight against terrorism that Nigeria has been facing for the last 10 years or so?
The strike is a kind of a message. Remember that the Nigerian government have labeled the Lakurawa as foreign terrorists, so they are not Nigerian according to Nigerian government. So they feel that maybe they could start with the Lakurawa to send a message to other groups like the Fulani bandits, the ISWAP, and Boko Haram, who are mostly Nigerian. So I think the strike is a message that we can get to you at any time, not really maybe giving in part to diminish the attack, but it's kind of a giving a message that, well, if you can come up for negotiations, and maybe we can listen to you. So it's a kind of a passing message to the other groups.
Now, what's the probability of a reprisal attack happening from some of the terrorists that are operating in the western part of the country?
I don't think that will happen now, because the terrorists now, they want to see how they can take cover for now. You know, they were not expecting strikes from US. They were not expecting it. So it's a kind of a shock, kind of surprise to other terrorist groups. So for now, what they will be thinking of is how they can change strategies, how they can fight in case the US still want to continue the strike.
Let's head to Somalia now, where electoral officials are counting the votes in the just concluded Thursday's local council election. Now, this is the country's first ever one-person, one-vote poll after more than 5 decades. Analysts say the Mogadishu vote represents the country's attempt to move away from clan-based power-sharing systems. The elections were postponed 3 times this year. The opposition leaders boycotted the event and accused the government of using the process to entrench power and pave the way for extending the president's term, which is due to end in 2026. An allegation authorities there have denied. Police say the elections were largely peaceful, with no major security incidents reported, despite ongoing threats from the Al-Shabaab militant group. Let's listen in now to some people who voted for the first time.
I am so happy and excited since I have voted after 56 years. I am so happy about that. I would like to thank the leadership of our country for realizing this dream with a peaceful environment, especially here in the capital Mogadishu, which many doubted.
When I hear about indirect polls, I get upset because I had no say on the decision. But today, this process belongs to me. I have the choice to vote for and against any candidate, and I prefer those who brighten my future and that of our nation.
Now, I spoke to my colleague Farah Lamane from the BBC's Somali service, who's been closely monitoring the vote, and asked him for the latest developments.
A couple of 100 meters from where I am now, the vote counting is still on, according to an official from the Electoral Commission, and any time from now we can expect them to announce the result. Most of the people who have voted yesterday are people who have never voted or have never been to a democratic process of electing electing their representatives. So they were very optimistic about the outcome of this election. Majority of them, actually 69% of them, the commission told me they are under the age of 35. I've also met a 70 years old woman who have never been to a polling station throughout her life, and she was so excited when I talked to her.
Now, given the opposition boycott that happened during the election, did it have any impact on the turnout of voters?
In a way, yes. Mogadishu is a city of 3 million residents. The commission told me that 1 million people have requested to get the voting card, and only 500,000 have been issued. So the other 2 million people in Mogadishu, some of them are opposition supporters, while others don't care about the exercise of election. So yes, the opposition supporters in Mogadishu have not come out to cast their votes, and that has an impact of the election. But in general, the election went well.
Now, if you look at this particular election, it's a one person, one vote that has not happened since 1969. Is it a major departure from the clan-based power sharing that has been evident in Somali politics for such a long time?
Yeah, as you may know, Somalia in the last 20 years or so, the clan-based power sharing agreements were very common, where people have been merited according to their clan lineage and not their qualifications. So a lot of people feel that have been marginalized, but this process was a litmus test, and it shows how Somalia is capable of holding democratic election where people elect their representatives. And if this one is successful, then I think next year's presidential election will be also something that people go to the polls and again elect their representatives, whether it is MPs, members of the parliament, or the president himself.
You're watching Focus on Africa on BBC News, and here's what's still to come on the program. Mohamed Salah's penalty inspires 10-man Egypt to win over South Africa amidst red card drama. Welcome back to Focus on Africa. Now, in near pitch black conditions underground, workers in an illegal mine in South Africa chip away at the rock face to extract coal to be sold by informal sellers. South Africa is among the world's top producers of coal, which fires about 80% of the country's electricity. Ranked among the 12 largest greenhouse gas emitters globally, in 2021, the country became the first in the world to sign